Hey everybody, I'm here with our in-house Flutter technology expert, Brian Yarger. Hey Brian, how's it going?
Going great. Nice to see you, Copal.
Good to see you too. So today I'm excited. We have a topic lined up that I actually don't know anything about, and it's called Flutter. So maybe we could just start with the basics, like what is Flutter and what is it used for?
Absolutely. So Flutter is it's a UI toolkit. So it's for building apps. It was created by Google back in 2018, so it's pretty mature. And one of the nice things about it is you can deploy these apps to any platform. It started kind of as a mobile, cross-platform mobile platform, but now you can do web, you can do desktop. So it really is a single development and deploy that all over the place.
Awesome. Okay, so for developers, what's the benefit, I guess, of using Flutter versus something else?
Yeah, a couple of benefits there. So one, focused on the developer experience. It's written by Google, so it's really a developer first framework. So it has hot reloading. It's very quick to develop in. So it's really a kind of a joy to work in versus maybe some older platforms that aren't quite as productive from a developer standpoint.
Okay. So when somebody's getting into it and learning how to use it, what are some of the advantages, I guess, or ways in which they can optimize if they decide to use Flutter?
Yeah, one of the things you have to be aware of when using Flutter is it uses the Dart programming languages. So that means you need to know Dart or learn Dart. Now, Dart's not hard to learn. If you've got experience in JavaScript or TypeScript, it's pretty easy to pick up. But that is one thing you have to be aware of is, you need to know the Dart programming language. Once you get past that, it's really fast to learn the platform and all the components that you can kind of build these applications. And then, like I said, deploy those across mobile devices, on the desktop, on the web, have a single code base where you can manage all of that together.
Interesting. So, I guess at IntraEdge, have we been using it? And, can you share with me maybe an example of how you like it, how you used it on one of our projects with our clients?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got several clients that have come to us looking to implement their mobile projects primarily in Dart and using Flutter as the UI toolkit there. So we're able to help customers architect those solutions. We can train them on how to learn Flutter, how to learn Dart, and also help them implement the full project. So we can help in all those ways and get that project on mobile devices, get it on the web, just be able to deploy it wherever they need it.
That's great. In your experience, I guess, is it certain types of companies that are using it, or can it be used from everybody from a startup to a large enterprise?
Yeah, it really can be used by anybody. We see startups use it just for the speed of developing across all those different platforms, but then we see large companies adopting this. If you look on Google's pages about Flutter, you can see all kinds of really high-profile companies using it, and they're using it for all kinds of different reasons, right? The performance of development, the performance of the actual applications, being able to get the same look and feel across all these different platforms. A lot of times those are exactly what customers are looking for.
That's awesome. Well, thank you. I feel like I know a little bit more about Flutter and why people would want to use it. So that was super helpful.
Absolutely, you're welcome.